Hi students, today we will discuss about the various conversions of alcohols. Means we are converting the functional group alcohol into different functional group like alkane, alkene, and alkylamine, carboxylic acid, aldehyde, alkylamines. Okay, like this. Okay, we are starting with a carboxylic acid in alcohol. Initially, sorry, we are starting with an alcohol. What is the general formula for alcohols? This is the general formula. Okay, and where R represents what? R represents alkyl group. Okay, alkyl group. What is the general formula for alkyl group? Alkyl group is nothing but CnH2n plus 1. Okay, along with that one OH, if you add, then it is converted into alcohol, right? Okay, now what is our task? Our task is simply alcohol. By using alcohol, I can able to convert this alcohol as an alkane or alkene or carboxylic acid or amine or amide or any other functional group. Okay, whatever the possible functional groups, I can able to convert those groups by using different reagents. Then it is then okay, these are the conversions. Then those processes said to be a conversion, simply a normal conversion, the word we are using. Okay, now we are taking an alcohol. Yes, now I want to convert this alcohol, okay, to alkene. What is this? Alkene means double bonded compound. That's what I have to do. I have to remove water from this. What is the um, dehydrating agent? Dehydrating agent, simply it is sulfuric acid. We all know about very well that dehydrating agent is sulfuric acid. Then we will get a double bonded compound. Okay, a double bonded compound, that is alkene. By using this alkene, if I treated, okay, that is reduction. What will happen? We are adding hydrogens further to double bond, then we will get an single bonded compound, that is alkane. Okay, clear? Next, okay, next again, this alcohol is, what is the initial alcohol? How many carbons are there? There are, right now R is there, that's why it is a generalization. We can't give naming of this compound, because R we can substitute any alkyl group. Okay, in presence of PCl5 means we are making alkyl halides. We are adding halogen, that's why this is alkyl halides. Okay, if further, by using alkyl halide, if I remove HCl in presence of NH3, what will happen? We'll get alkyl amines, means we are adding amine group and we are removing um, dehydrohalogenation. Okay, dehydrohalogenation, what we will get? We'll get a compound with NH2, that is said to be what? Alkyl amine. That is, initially this is alcohol, this is alcohol. Initially, okay, one second. Alcohol is converted into what? Alkyl halide by adding PCl5, and again by adding by removing hydrogen along with chlorine, that is dehydrating agent. We are getting what? We are getting an alkyl amine. Okay, this is one more conversion. Another conversion is, okay, initially our compound is always alcohol. Okay, alcohol, okay, in presence of copper. Okay, we are removing what? We are removing hydrogens. Okay, then what we will get? We will get alkyl halide. Okay, aldehyde. Okay, what is the name of this compound? This is aldehyde. CHO is nothing but what? Aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde. Okay, by using this aldehyde again, if I go for KMnO4 and along with K2Cr2O7, this is oxidizing agent. Okay, what we will get? We will get addition of oxygen to what? To aldehyde. Addition of oxygen to aldehyde means what we will get? We will get a carboxylic acid. What we will get? We will get a carboxylic acid. Yes or no? Okay, this is one more conversion, and the final conversion is okay. Simply what you will get in presence of okay, in presence of what? Again, this is a one more another process for getting alkyl amines. Alkyl amine we seen before one process. This is one more process, that is in presence of NH3. Okay, along with Al2 aluminum oxide. Okay, what we will get? We will get means what we are removing? We are removing water and we are substituting NH2 group. NH2 group is nothing but what? NH2 group is nothing but alkyl amine. Okay, these are the conversions of what? These are the simple conversions of alcohols. These are the conversions of alcohols. Okay, alcohols we can able to convert. Alcohols we can able to convert it as alkenes. Okay, next we can able to convert it as alkyl amines. Okay, we can able to convert it as alkyl halides. Okay, we can able to convert it as aldehydes. We can able to convert it as carboxylic acids. Okay, carboxylic acid by using different what? Reagents. This is called conversion process. Okay, thank you very much.